In other words, a more flexible empirical mindset geared to a more proper form of politics needs to be gradually fostered through tenacious cooperative effort.
Against this backdrop, it is all the more necessary to discuss how democracy is viewed, accepted, and justified in the non-Western context.
In order to trace and properly understand what can be called the Korean liberalism, we need to look into its origin and also the historical context that it came from.
I will talk about Korean politics and focus on its political struggle against the dead, patriotism, and national cemetery.
Cultivating civic virtues in a sexist society, drawing a lesson from the Korean Confucian Im Yun Zidang. And I would like to talk about her philosophy and how her philosophy can teach us about some civic virtues education in a democracy which may still have a sexist culture.
In this lecture, I would like to provide justification, explanation, and normative guidance for Korean politics.
In this lecture, I'll focus on the issue of constitutionalism because it provides a unique opportunity to examine the influence of both liberalism and Confucianism on the justification and regulation of the state.
In this lecture, I pay attention to one specific social and political practice that many Koreans tend to regard as one of the quintessential civic virtues in Korean society, namely patriotism.
Culture is a term that combines entering and leaving a public office and reflect the value and perception of reality of the person involved.